Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect meringue kisses. First, ensure your mixing bowl and whisk are impeccably clean and free of any grease. Even a tiny bit of yolk can prevent your egg whites from whipping properly. Separate your eggs carefully, making sure no yellow gets into the whites. This foundational step is crucial for achieving light, airy meringue. Also, superfine sugar dissolves more easily, contributing to a smoother texture. Once your egg whites are separated, begin whipping them on medium speed until they reach soft peaks. This means they hold their shape but the tip curls over. Now, slowly add your superfine sugar, about 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to whip. Increase the speed to high and continue whipping until the meringue is glossy, holds stiff peaks, and the sugar is completely dissolved. With your meringue ready, transfer it to a piping bag fitted with your desired tip. Pipe small, uniform kisses onto baking sheets lined with parchment paper. Aim for consistent size for even baking. Bake your meringues in a preheated oven at a low temperature, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This low heat slowly dries them out, ensuring they become crisp and not browned. After baking, turn off the oven and leave the meringues inside to cool completely. This prevents cracking and helps them dry out further. Once fully cooled, store your meringue kisses in an airtight container at room temperature to maintain their crispness. Humidity is their enemy, so keep them sealed. For more baking tips and other great deals, including how to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the links in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.